Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Install It Right. In this video, I will show you how to download SOAP UI, which is used for API testing. In the previous video, we have installed the Postman API. In this video, we will do the same with SOAP UI. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and on Google, type SOAP UI and press enter. Here you will see the official website, that is soapui.org. Click on it. Now click on the download SOAP UI. The download has started. Wait for a moment. Once the download is completed, double click on the .exe file. Click yes on the pop-up. Now the installation process will start. Click next. You can select the path and click next. Now click next, next, click next, click next. You can see SOAP UI icon on the screen, which means it is installed. After installation, SOAP UI will open automatically. Now click on the finish. You can also open it from the desktop icon. Once you launch the SOAP UI, this is the home screen you will see. From here, you can start API testing, new SOAP project or a new REST project. If you want to test REST API, click on new REST project. If you are working with SOAP services, click on new SOAP project. On the right side, you can find sample projects, documentation, beginner resource, and that's it for today's video. We have successfully downloaded, installed and launched SOAP UI on Windows and also understood the basic home screen. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Install It Right. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.